Sometimes we need to reset our laptop or PC because our PC or laptop gets some virus or some window updates that do not compromise with our PC or laptop and get problem to run smooth. In that situation, resetting PC or laptop can resolve the issue and run PC or laptop same as before. There is new advanced setting to reset PC or laptop without losing any program and software. In this video today, I will explain in detail about resetting Windows to factory setting without any software or program. In Windows 10, there are some options available to reset any PC or laptop by removing everything and make laptop or PC same as factory settings. Also have option to reset any PC or laptop to keep all the files, folder, programs, software and even Windows 10. Or if you're selling or donating your PC to someone, you maybe want to clean up everything from PC to make PC clean same as original factory setting. If you want to get all steps in detail, then please watch this video to the end. So let's get into it. Click on Search, type Setting. Click on Setting, click on Update and Security. Click on Recovery. And you have few options for recovery. Reset this PC to get started. And go back to the previous version of Windows 10. This option is not available for my PC because I do not have previous version. This is a brand new PC. So we select to get started. There is two options. Click Files. So remove absence setting but keep your personal files. That's option. And remove everything. Remove all your personal files absence setting. Same as factory setting. Clean up. If you want to sell your PC, donate your PC or get rid of your PC or give it to somebody, whatever you want to do, this is the best option you can choose. So we go through with the Keep My Files. Now you have few options. Remove absence setting which came with the PC. And you can go through by next. And if you click remove everything, then you have few options again. Just remove your files. This is a quicker but less secure. Remove all files only from the drive where Windows is installed. There is another option to reset your PC. Click on Power button, hold down the Shift key and click on Restart. You will see option Troubleshoot, Advanced option, Reset this PC, Keep my files and folders, Remove everything and click on Reset PC. And that's all to do it. So this easy way you can clean up your PC and laptop. And if you have any question, please ask in comments below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification. So you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.